Hey, would you like to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is subscribe to this channel, hit the like button, share this video, and type a number that will pop up somewhere in this video. Type it down in the comments below. It's going to help you increase your chances of winning the free money once I reach 8,000 subscribers. Now let's get into this video. Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can earn $1,000 in free PayPal money for 2022. And this is good for beginners. Now, if you're new to my channel, as you can see here, I make a lot of videos about making money online. And for every 1,000 new subscribers I receive, I give away free money. So do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And give me a like. It really helps out my channel, and it helps out this video to be seen by more people on YouTube. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions. Any questions at all about what I'm talking about today in this video. Now guys, please watch this video all the way to the very end, because a magic number is going to pop up in this video. As soon as you see that magic number, type it down in the comments below. It's going to help you increase your chances of winning the free money once I reach 8,000 subscribers. Now, without further ado, let me hop over here to this site and show you this method. Let's grind and let's get it. Okay guys, I'm at this website. Name of this website is Prize Rebel. So on this website, you're going to take paid surveys, make money online, get free PayPal cash and gift cards from eBay, iTunes, Visa, CVS, Amazon, and Walmart. Now it's free to sign up. All you do is put your name, email address, password, and then click right here to start making money. Now this is how the site works. You just sign up and start earning points by completing short opinion surveys or easy offers. And then you're going to redeem points for PayPal cash or choose from hundreds of gift cards. Now check this out guys. Check out these free rewards from Prize Rebel. So these members got these rewards. Look at this person right here. They got a PS5. And this person right here, they got a monitor. And this person right here got Amazon gift cards. So guys, they are legit, and they're giving out prizes on this website here, along with PayPal money. Now let's just read what Prize Rebel is all about. So Prize Rebel is a free to use survey panel that was started in 2007 in sunny California with the goal to connecting market researchers and opinion sites like yourself. And they have over 12 million registered users and has paid over $20 million, guys. Isn't that something? Now check this out. They have been featured on Trustpilot, Survey Police, SiteJabber, and Insider. Now the reason why they was featured on these sites is because these sites let individuals come on there and review any type of website. And if you see one site on here get bad reviews, you know something is wrong with that site. It's not good. So they must have some good reviews, guys, because I know this site would not put up no bad reviews. If they got all bad reviews, they wouldn't get anybody to sign up for this site. Now, what I'm going to do, guys, is log into my account, because I have an account with this website. I'm going to show you how it looks inside. Okay, guys, I'm inside my account. So what I'm going to do is just show you a few things, and then I'm going to show you a way where you can make even more money with this site, not just doing tasks. So what you're going to do, click right here where it says earn. As you see, they have surveys, They have offer walls. Then they have rewards history, testimonies, and submit testimony right here. So if you have some good things to say, or if you have some bad things to say about this website, you can click right here. They have raffles. They have lucky numbers, contests, and my winnings. Now what I'm going to do is just go to offer walls, just show you a little bit how it works. So when you start with offer walls, what you're going to do is click right here where it says no cost, because you want to get offers where they're not going to charge you anything. So once you click there, they're going to bring you some more offers, and as you can see, any offers that you complete, you get points, and that's 90 points, 90 points, 90 points, and all these points add up. And check this out right here. You can click right here and get an Amazon gift card for $100, and you'll get 56 points for that one. So that's how it really works, guys. When the points start accumulating, then you can turn those points in and get some PayPal money. So the next thing I'm going to do is click right here where it says earn referrals. So you're going to get a referral link, and that's how you're going to earn even more money on this website, guys. So all you can do is just click right there and copy it. Let me just go ahead and read a little bit so you can know how this works, guys. So what you're going to do, as your referrals earn by completing surveys, you will earn 15% bonus based on your earnings. If they earn 1,000 points, which is $10, you will earn 150 points, and that's $1.50. So guys, when you earn 1,000 points, you get $10, and when they earn it, you're going to get $1.50. So if you get several people to sign up while you're doing the certain tasks on here and making $10, $20, $30, all that is going to add up, guys. You can easily make hundreds of dollars and maybe $1,000. Now, check this out right quick. But I'm going to have one other thing I want to show you before I leave this website. Now, y'all always ask me about, is this site worldwide? This site is worldwide, guys. As you can see here, worldwide earning opportunities. Cash out with your PayPal or gift card rewards. Direct deposit or cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency is coming soon. So you can make money all over the world, guys. So it doesn't matter where you live. Alright, now, once you copy this referral link, what I'm going to do is show you a website you can go to where you're going to get a lot of people clicking on your link. So let me go to that website right now. Okay guys, I'm on Facebook, and what I did was put up this group. It's called Make Money Online. It's a public group, so you can sign up with it. And what you're going to do is just paste your link here. And when people click on it, go to the website, start doing the tasks, you're going to start getting that money. As you see here, it's 124,000 members in this group. So that's a lot of people that's potentially can click on your link. Even if you get a small percentage of that, 1-2%, you can make some good money once they start working on their website using your link. So that's it, guys. That's the method. So please go to prizerebel.com, sign up, and get started making this PayPal money. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button for me. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions about this method. And please share this video all around the internet, because I really want to help everybody I can to make money online and become their own boss. And last but not least, please hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day. Okay, guys, that's it. Really appreciate you guys. Thank you. Road to 8,000. Let's get there. I'm ready to give away some free money. So let's get there fast, guys. And one more thing. Get your grind on, because the grind is real. Please go check out these other videos until my next one come out. Peace and have a prosperous day.